Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So as you can see, we got the regular one. Just to change that, you should hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the transitions icon. Just tap there, and now you can select one from these available transitions. And for example, I'll go with the rotate one, with the roll one. Just you should go back, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation. So that's really easy, right? And if you want to just go back with the regular one, with the default one, just you should go back to the settings, and here select the default transition, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.